Alright, good day everyone. Today I will be sharing with you why Vision Express is not just an optical chain, it is your partner in eye health, longevity, and wellness. So we will talk about more on how our artificial intelligence or AI-powered retinal screening we call Vision Plus helps us protect not just your sight, but your vision for life. So let me start with some statistics. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, the average life expectancy at birth is about 71 years for men and 77 years for women. That sounds encouraging, but here is the reality. Many Filipinos spend their last 8 to 10 years in poor health, battling chronic diseases, disability, or even loss of independence. So our goal should not just to be living longer. It should be to live longer in good health. So that's what we call health span, as already been discussed earlier this morning. And vision really plays an incredible significant role in this. Research also shows that people with untreated vision problems like cataracts, glaucoma, or even having just a blurring of vision at far or at near means living shorter or even harder lives. So people with this untreated vision problems, they usually experience 2 to 3 times to suffer in falls and fractures. They also have a higher risk of depression and cognitive decline. And studies also show that visual impairment is linked to a 2.5 times higher risk of premature death. So on the other hand, those who actually correct or treat their vision either with spectacle lenses or your contact lenses, or you go for a surgery, or getting at least a timely medical care can maintain your independence and mobility, and even mental sharpness well into old age. So you probably have heard already that the eyes are the window to the soul. While in healthcare, we call the eyes the window to your systemic health. This is true because your retina, as you can see here in the third photo, or the back surface of your eye, is the only place where you can directly visualize your blood vessels or your neural tissue without any invasive procedure. That means that by simple eye check or simple eye exam or analyzing your retina, we can pick up the clues about what is happening on the rest of your body, your brain, your heart, or even your overall circulation. So most of the people think that getting an eye exam is just to get for contact lenses or spectacle lenses. That is true, we correct vision. But the eye exam we do is doing so much more. And as I mentioned earlier, by a simple eye exam or even analyzing your retina, we can already pick up clues that what is happening to your body. And again, your retina can reveal a different signs of in terms of diabetes, hypertension, or cardiovascular problems or heart problems, stroke, or even brain-related conditions like dementia. So in many cases, the eye exam can show long before you feel any symptoms. So again, your eye health is not just seeing clearly, but it's about living healthier and longer. And again, in other terms, simple eye screening can tell us much more of our health than you may realize. So at least when you get an eye check in Vision Express, we're not just getting your prescription, we are checking your overall health, and then you can go for a referral for other medical services if needed. Now, the challenge for the traditional eye checks are heavily relying on the doctor's observation and judgment. Though valuable, this method can sometimes miss early changes, especially those subtle changes in the human eye, especially in the retina, as you see earlier. There are changes that may not be readily seen or subtle to the human eye to notice. So sometimes, there are times that we detect the problem or the disease that has already been progressed. So that means that we lose the chance for early intervention. So that is why Vision Express are expanding and also investing their technology in AI. So we have this technology which changed the game, and your AI-powered retinal screening can now detect changes in the retina earlier, and it's more accurate and more consistently than ever before. as it only captures your retina for both sides, and this device performs auto-calibration, autofocus, and auto-capture. So before securely uploading the images to the cloud for processing. So it already creates artificial neural networks and compares abnormalities using the AI deep learning, and to show if there is any other abnormalities in your eye. So checking for your glaucoma or your retinopathies, and also risk for your future health risks. It is one of the largest database for retinal images in the world with unmatched data diversity. So it has 10 million, imagine 10 million complete real-world user retinal images and corresponding multimodal data. So it can pick up patterns that are invincible to the human eye. So to avoid the error and to achieve a better accuracy. So in just a minute, it screens both your ocular diseases, like I mentioned earlier, glaucoma, even your macular degeneration, your diabetic retinopathy, and also other systemic health risks like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. So early warnings about this condition can affect not just your eyes, but your overall health. So think of it as a precision health tool for your eye exam and becomes a gateway to preventive health care. So why does this matter to you? Because early detection saves not only your sight, but your life. Diabetic retinopathy changes early means preventing blindness and reducing the risk of kidney failure, stroke, or heart attack. So it's very important to detect it as early as possible. Finding hypertension through retinal changes means preventing vascular damage that shortens your life. And keeping vision sharp means supporting independence, preventing falls, and protecting also your brain health. So in simple terms, protecting your vision also protects your longevity. So as health enthusiasts, you already invest for your nutrition, your fitness, your regular checkup. So why are you not investing for your eyes? So you always have to make sure that you get your eyes checked after 6 months, and also experience our Vision Plus. Because again, average Filipino lives into their 70s, but those with visual impairment, they live shorter and even less independent lives. So Vision Plus helps change that by detecting disease early, preventing your complications, preserving both your sight and your health, and your Vision Plus screening just takes a few minutes. So I invite you to experience Vision Plus. You have to protect your vision, protect your health, protect your longevity, and remember that longer life is good, but a healthier and independent life is actually better. So I encourage everyone to please try out our AI, or Artificial Intelligence Powered Vision Plus by Vision Express. We are at the outside of the lobby, and you can also book your Vision Plus screening at our Vision stores, our Vision Express stores, by scanning the QR code as you can see in the screen. So again, choose Vision Express, your partner in eye health, longevity, and wellness. And thank you. And I look forward to helping to protect not only your sight, but your life. Thank you very much.